Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, welcome back to the channel. It's your man Lance over here, Crucial RC, the channel for fifth scale, everything racing, bashing, all that stuff. So today we got a good one from Cardinal Racing. Something that's been in the making for quite a while. I was going to open this stuff, but then I was like, you know what? I need to make a video on this because this is epic. I mean, this may change, on-road course racing. Dramatically for the 2025 season. I just hope it does what it does, and I just hope it gets it there. But here it is. Thank you, my hair. Let's do it. All right, let's get this open. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, so there it is. The new Cardinal Racing semi-slick RX S11 100 tire. All right, these are the softs. I ordered the soft because the season just started, I needed. The ground will probably be a little cool when I get out there to actually get a chance to test these. So I want to try these on the car. Probably do a little parking lot bashing with it to see how it acts, and then we'll do some. Hopefully, I'm gonna get to the track before it actually opens to get a little bit of testing on these things. First thing I noticed when you open up when I open up this package, the smell of rubber. That means that it's something that is, in my mind, is a good tire. So when I smell rubber, I think that they did some good, good molding with it, and it's going to be a good tire for racing. But we'll see. We'll see. But that's the first initial impression of it is the smell of rubber. The 11 spoke design is different. I think before, I believe it was a 16 spoke or something like that for their on-road car, you had the dish. These only come with 11 spoke right now. The reason behind that is it is a special rim for this. This tire does not fit on the stock or the other, I ain't gonna say stock, the other 180 millimeter wheels and tires. So you can't take an order set of tires and put them on the 16 spokes. You have to use the 11 spokes that they designed for this. All right, so let's get one of these open. See what it looks like. All right, guys, and like I said, once again, I'm feeling it. I feel the compound. It's a taller sidewall now. So the rear is similar to the 16 spokes, but the front, as you can see, is a taller sidewall here. That hopefully will help us in getting around corners a lot better, a lot more traction. The tire likes to roll, and especially at Wagner Park, there's a lot of turns, and the tire likes to roll, and it likes to, lose traction in the turns. I'm hoping, this works out. Like I said, I'm gonna try it on the car. Like I said, the rim accepts the Hydrax, so if you have Hydrax brakes, you shouldn't have any problems mounting these straight up. It also mounts to stock configuration if you have like a Max Pro or FTR without the Hydrax. This wheel has been in the making for a year and 3 months. I called and talked to my hair about it before I put this order in to order these, but I had to get a little bit of information on what made him decide to do this. He said that this tire, and you can see the grooves in here. This tire was made after the WRX Racing Series tires. And like I said, the feeling on this is insane. So the technology that they use to make the WRX Series racing tires, which is the one-to-one racing cars, he said he has incorporated in the design of this. Like I said, they're not directional, but they do have quite more bite on the outside than on the inside, looks like. The rubber just feels exceptional. I mean, the rubber feels really good. let me show you what it looks like compared to the stock 16 spokes. So here it is. So this is, I call them 16 spokes, but actually 17 spokes. 17 spoke wheel, and this is the new semi-slick. I'm gonna tell you off the break. First of all, I noticed about this is you don't have the mold. The mold. This is like this is the stock 17 spoke here. As you can see here, you have the mold brakes, where you usually gotta file that down. All right, try and file that down, get that out of there. All right, I noticed on this one, it doesn't have it. It doesn't have a mold brake at all. Oh, it has one right here, but you hardly can see it. As you can see right there, but you don't really see it. The rubber compound for a soft tire, this is a lot, I'm not gonna say a lot harder, but it is definitely harder than this soft compound. I mean, definitely, this is gonna grip more as a soft compound. Now, longevity, I don't know. We'll find out how long it lasts, all right? If you look at the wheel, this is shiny. It's like a shiny plastic, or I don't know how they did it, but this is shiny as opposed to a dull. This is dull here, the 17 spoke, all right? As you can see, the sidewall difference. The sidewall difference is insane. And like I said, this is gonna give you grip in tight corners, right? Where this one might break and loose on you a little bit. This sidewall is gonna give a little bit and allow you to keep traction while racing. What else is different here? Both 24mm design, spoke designs. Look at the rear of the tire. They're both about the same. How'd he do that? Man, he totally designed, well, he was involved in totally designing a sidewall step down on here to give you a lot more sidewall on the outside. To give you more traction, less traction roll. This is going to be exceptional on the track. I just can't see how it can't. The only thing like I said, it may not give me the laps that I need out of it, but it's going to give me a lot more traction on the track. And when you give traction, you're going to have confidence in your vehicle. I don't know what else to say. I can say about these. I mean, like I said, 24mm design. I'm sure you can put these on a Losi, as long as your offset is correct. You might have to use spacers or something like that. But I have seen people use MCD tires and wheels on their Losis also at Wagner. Now, like I said, I don't know if he designed these for Wagner, but we definitely need it. This compound is awesome. Now I'm hoping it just lasts. So if I can get a good three races out of it, I'm good. I'm golden. I'll just have to buy, I think we run 8 races a season. So I would just have to buy, maybe 2 or 3 sets of these. All right, and then also, like I said, this tread pattern was supposed to be designed to handle dry conditions and wet conditions. So hopefully I don't see any wet conditions at Wagner, but this thing is, like I said, just the feeling of it. I can feel that it's gonna be a game changer right here. I just want to put this on the car right now and see what these look like. Matter of fact, let's throw these on the car and see what they look like. There it is, man. They fit so good on the Hydrax, no problems, no rubbing, none of that. And they fit perfect. If you got the stock the stock hubs, no Hydrax. They fit good there. You even show off that little bit of alloy back there. You know what I mean? It looks so good. They clear the bumper, no problem. All right, these are the stock ones here. These are the 17 spokes. All right, just left more on one side so you can see the difference. That's the difference right there. All right. I'm telling you, these things feel so good. That rubber compound is perfect. Perfect. So, no rubbing anywhere on here. Like I said, the Hydrax clears. I'm sure the rear will clear also. that 11 spoke. I actually kind of like the 11 spoke with the gloss better than the 17 spokes. I like that. So it is getting there, guys. It is almost race season. So we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna put the body on here and put it on the ground so you can see what it looks like. All right, so you can see and make sure it doesn't hit the fender well openings and all that good stuff. All right, so let's put the body on here. All right, and there it is on the ground, on the suspension. Perfect clearance, just like the 17 spokes, and it looks good, man. So I'll show you the 17 spoke side over here. Yep. And the 11 spoke semi-slicks over here. All right, guys, that's gonna be the video right there, man. I gotta get this thing to the track or to a parking lot, so I can let you know how these things act. I can't wait to try them out. Shout out to Cardinal Racing for getting them to me super fast, and for supplying these things. We got another option, guys, so stay tuned, and we're gonna see what this thing acts like on the track and in the parking lot. All right, man, it's your boy Lance over Crucial RC. Holla.